Hi everyone, you are watching TriniKidsTV and my name is Auntie Shade and it's nice of you to join us. Now today we are going to get started with lots of fun activities talking about Christmas and other things, okay? But before we start, we have to sing our good morning song. So can you sing the good morning song with me? Alright. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all of you that are watching. Now, let's say the days of the week and the months of the year, okay? Do you know what day it is today? Well, if yesterday was Thursday, what comes after Thursday? Do you know? Can you tell me? Yes, Friday. Friday comes after Thursday. Today is Friday. And what a nice day of the week that is, right? Can we sing the days of the week together? Okay. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Great job, everyone. Now, do you remember what month we are in? Yes, we are in the last month of the year. But what is it called? Yes, we are in the month of December. December is the last month of the year. So, can we say the months of the year together? Let's go. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, it's time to talk about our color of the day. And our color of the day is the color brown. Brown is our color of the day. Can you think of something that's brown? Yes, the dirt is brown. What about something yummy? Chocolate, yes, chocolate is brown. Chocolate cake is brown. Yeah, there are lots of things that are brown, right? So, now that we know some things that are brown, how about we talk about our shape of the day? Our shape of the day is a rectangle. And sometimes a rectangle is the shape of a chocolate bar, right? So that's something that's brown, and also something that's our shape of the day, a rectangle. Something that's also shaped like a rectangle, well, we know our door is shaped like a rectangle. What else? Your phone or your tablet might be shaped like a rectangle, right? A rectangle has two long sides and two short sides. Like this. These would be the long sides and two short sides. See that? Rectangle. Now it's time to talk about our letter of the day. Our letter of the day is the letter that comes after G. Do you know what that is? Maybe we could say it and see. if we know what letter comes after G. You want to try? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H. H is our letter of the day. Great job. That was very good. We figured out what the letter of the day was. Can you think of something that starts with the letter H? House, hat, happy. Yes, all those things start with the letter H. All right? Now, let's talk about something else that starts with the letter H. Our area of the day. But before we talk about our area of the day, we have to jump in our boat and sail to lovely Tobago, because that's where our area of the day comes from. And our area of the day is the area called Hope Village in Tobago. Now, Hope Village is a nice, quiet area. It's close to lovely rivers and streams. There's also lots of wildlife and animals you can see. You can see lots of lovely birds. You can see the leatherback turtle as well. Lots of activities and things to see and hear around Hope Village. So that might be a great place to visit whenever you're in Tobago. Now let's say our alphabet. Well, we clapped our alphabet, we snapped our alphabet. Maybe we could shake our shoulders while we sing the alphabet. Are you ready? Okay, first loosen up your shoulders and get ready, because we're going to say our alphabet together. Are you ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job, everyone. We did a little shoulder dance and we said our alphabet. Give yourselves a clap. That was very, very good. Now let's talk about our lesson for today. Well, we have been talking about Christmas all week because Christmas is very nearby. And our activity for today is a fun and exciting and delicious activity. Did you guess what our activity might be? Well, we are going to make some lovely cookies. We're going to make some cookies. So you're going to taste this activity for today. All right? So parents, you would see the list of things you would need on your screen. And let's get started making our lovely Christmas cookies. All right? So, all right, I think that's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so we are making our cookies here. I'm adding the 2 tablespoons of butter along with the same amount of sugar. And we're mixing. Mix those things together. You can use a whisk, you can use a spoon, whatever you have. Right, and as you can see, I'm getting some help from my nephew, Eden, to make our cookies. So mixing that nicely. Then we'll add some salt and your baking powder to your mixture. You can also add, well, I added some cocoa powder to make mine a chocolate version. You can leave that out if you want to make it a regular cookie, or you can even add some coconut milk powder to make it like a coconut flavored cookie. You could do whatever you would like. Right, so I'm stirring the ingredients together nicely. You see I'm making chocolate version. I'm just making a small amount, but of course you could add to the recipe. You can even use eggs if you prefer, or add some milk. But this one is a simple recipe. Now I'm adding in my flour a quarter at a time, and I'm mixing that in, and then you add your other quarter of flour until you get a consistency that you want, the one that you could mold with your hands easily. So then mix that together, and you'll see the dough is forming nicely. Alright, so next, when I get the consistency that I want, I'm going to just take a piece of foil and just put a little bit of oil on the foil so the cookies don't stick. And I'm just rolling them out here. If you have a cookie cutter, of course you can use cookie cutters, those nice Christmassy shapes. I'm just making little balls here. You can see my nephew's making his Christmas cookies in the shape that he wants them to be, and we're just going to use all our cookie dough here and just lay them out on the foil. Now you can bake this in your oven, but I am using my toaster oven for this one because it's just a few cookies, and you can bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes. Or you can just check them to see, you know, how they are, if they're cooked, if you want them to get a little crunchier, if you want them soft. Yeah. So you see he's pressing down his cookies and making them exactly how he wants them. And of course, if you want, you could also make these and decorate them. You could use chairs, you could use any sort of sweets and coloring. You could even use icing if you want to use icing with this. So you can have lots of fun decorating it. So once we're finished here, you see we laid out our cookies, and we are going to put them in the toaster oven and cook them, and then you'll see the finished product at the end, right? So I hope you enjoyed making your cookies.